A lot of adolescent obesity because children they all go to pediatricians. So when they become 15, 20 years, most of the parents nowadays have one child or two children, and there is no school grounds. At home, it's more of screen time than this textbook time, and because of all this, children become obese. And in our country, there is a notion that fat is healthy. You want children not to be lean, but every parent wants their children to be chubby. And when they grow up to their marriage age, every parent become alarming. My daughter is not getting married, she is obese. How to do something? So that's the time they come to me. So I initially all the weight loss management, medical management, nothing helps. They are in a hurry because child has or the adolescent has PCOD and lot of menstrual irregularities, hair, hirsutism, hormonal changes, insulin levels are high, pre-diabetic. So many of them go for bariatric surgery or a balloon insertion into the stomach to reduce surgery. So last month only I operated 19-year-old lady who was very obese. Now she has become much better. Her sister also got operated. She is getting now married because she has lost weight. So these are very important issues, social and economic issues also. So there are a lot of drugs are coming now to reduce weight, but they are not suitable for children. So only adults can take. It's like insulin. If you start taking, you have to take lifelong. If you stop medicines, again you'll put on weight. So it is a huge problem. Society, environment, even the government intervention, very important. Fit India movement is there. So Prime Minister is also telling less oil. Most important culprit is carbohydrates. If you see, we all eat a lot of rice, but we sit in the office or a air-conditioned room. Earlier, people who used to eat rice, they were all in the fields. They used to work very hard and digestion is easy. Nowadays, if you eat carbohydrates, straight away it gets converted to fat and become fatty liver, cholesterol, all these problems. So it's a huge problem. Solutions are not easy and multiple level interventions are required from the government, from the school authorities,